Hi everybody, this is Lindy Bowler with Remax House of Real Estate and the Dione Irwin team. How is everybody today? I'm just gonna wait a few seconds to see who's gonna join us today live for this tour of an adorable condo in Baysprings in Airdrie. And today is the first day I'm trying to use my earbuds to do the sound. So I'm hoping you can hear me. So if you're watching, give me a thumbs up or send me a heart out and let me know if you can hear me okay, because I would hate to do this video and then look back later and realize that there was no sound for it. So we'll just wait a couple more seconds for more people to join us here. It's a bit of a rainy day out. I hope you all had a fantastic long weekend. Once we actually had some really nice weather this past weekend, and I know people were excited to get out camping or biking or hiking and enjoy themselves that way. I know we stuck close to home like a lot of people are doing, but played a little bit of baseball, used the trampoline. We made some s'mores over the fire. We have a little fire pit that we use in our yard. Got some new patio furniture this year because we figured we would be spending a lot more time at home than we normally do. So if you want, let me know in the comments what you got up to this past weekend, the May long weekend. Hopefully this rain will make everything green. That's always the one plus of the rain, is that everything gets freshened up and all the trees should have nice green leaves, and I'm sure a lot as well. So yeah, let me know if you can hear me, because that's my only concern while I am doing this, is that if you can't, so fire me off a message if you can't. I'm wondering if I'm gonna have to restart this or not. Yeah, just wait a couple of more seconds here for some more people to join on to the video. Again, I just want to confirm you guys can hear me. So if somebody wants to write in the comments, then that would be ideal. Okay, perfect. You can hear me. Great. Like I said, my first time using my earbuds, and I was nervous that maybe you guys couldn't hear me, but I'm really glad that you can hear me clearly. So I can see we've got a couple more people coming on. So hi everybody, thanks for joining today. In a second, I'm gonna get going here on my live tour of this beautiful condo unit in Airdrie. I'm in the community of Baysprings, which has great access to all the different amenities that Airdrie has to offer. And one thing that I should mention about this unit is that the condo fees are very low, and the exterior is stucco, which is really nice for maintenance and offers a really nice look. And some of the upgrades in this unit include air conditioning, which on a day like today is not needed, but we're gonna have those hot summer nights coming soon, and it's always nice to have air conditioning. And another thing is the flooring has been upgraded, so I'm going to show you that. And let's get started here. I'm going to flip you around. So I'm at unit 403, 2461 Baysprings Link. This is a 3-level unit with the garage being down on the main, which I'll show you. Then I'm on the living level, and then the bedrooms are upstairs. So I'm standing in the kitchen, and you can see, as I mentioned, the beautiful engineered hardwood floors here. I'm feeling very cozy in here today. I've got the fireplace going on the TV there. in the eating area. So there's lots of space here for your furniture. And it's really clean. It's like meticulous in here, which is always something that I know people are looking for. Really nice neutral color palette. The blinds have been upgraded in this unit, and all of the window coverings and blinds are included. Now I'm turning slowly so we can see this kitchen. Very functional layout in the kitchen with quartz countertops, lots of cupboard and counter space, stainless steel appliances. I love the tile they used for the backsplash. And there's a little breakfast bar area for when you just want to visit with someone who's cooking in the kitchen or grab a quick bite to eat. I'll give you a closer look here at everything. One thing that's fantastic is that this unit doesn't have anyone behind it. So as we come around here, you'll be able to see that when you're standing at your sink, if you're doing, you know, your dishes or working on your cooking, look at that beautiful view. I mean, it's not as beautiful today with the sleet coming down, but everything, you can see it starting to green up like I mentioned. There's a nice big farmer's field. This is looking west towards the mountains. No neighbors back there looking in on you. A really nice fence and deck area that I'll look at after there. You can see the air conditioning unit. So I'm coming around again. Nice big stainless steel fridge. So when we look at the back door here, we've got a really nice little storage pantry space. And tucked away from the living area, which is really nice, is a 2-piece powder room in here. I love this artwork. My kids would just be loving that as well right now. They're big into animals. So we've got the 2-piece powder room with the pedestal sink. Again, it's just so nice and clean in here. And then as we come around to this back entrance, there's lots of space back here for coats and shoes. And then you even get your own little deck space. So I'll try and show you it a little bit despite the sleet coming down. You can see there's enough room here for a patio set. And nice glass railings on there and some green grass back there. I'm going to close that up again so that I don't get my camera too wet while we're doing the tour here. So again, this is a 3-level unit. I guess I'm technically on the 2nd level, and showing you the living space that I was mentioning. It's nice and bright in here. There are lots of windows. A little desk area back there, which is very convenient. And we're just I'm doing a little panoramic view so that you guys can get the full view of the space here. This was where the stairs were coming up, and I'm gonna go downstairs last. So I'm just gonna give you one more view. And with everything that's going on, we are still showing properties. So whether you want a private Zoom tour so that you can chat with somebody about the different features of the home, maybe take a look at something that I haven't shown on this video, then please feel free to message us and we'll make sure that we get you in for your own private tour. I mean, some people are feeling more comfortable now with coming into homes. We're still taking precautions with masks and with the seller leaving all of the lights on and doors open so that no one has to touch anything. So we can do that for you. Now I'm coming upstairs, and I should mention that this is really durable, stain resistant carpet, and it's so clean. So that's always handy, because I know carpet is so nice on your feet, but then you worry that it's gonna get dirty, but having the stain resistant carpet is really handy. So I've come to the top of the stairs, and I'm gonna show you this massive linen and storage closet. So it's quite a bit deeper than a normal closet would be. And you can see they've got their vacuum and fit a lot of stuff in here. And also upstairs is the laundry, which is really handy. So I'm gonna open, there's nice double doors to the laundry area. And this is great. So they've got the laundry stacked and it's a nice big room again. So I've seen, you know, other places where all you have room for is your washer dryer and you don't have anything else, but you have your, you know, laundry stuff, right? Your detergents and softeners and baskets. So this room has lots of space to store all that as well. This is a double master style of upstairs. So I'm going to take you into the first bedroom. So because of that, you get two really good sized bedrooms. Some people, you know, you get 3 bedrooms, but you get 2 that are really tiny. This is 2 really nice sized rooms. You could easily fit a queen and I think even a king in this room. And the handy thing about the double master style is both bedrooms get a bathroom. So this is one of the bathrooms, and this bedroom also faces the field that I showed you from the kitchen there. And there's quartz countertops and that beautiful backsplash as well. The same really nice cabinetry here and really nice tile flooring. And then we've got the shower tub combo with surround and with the nice tile continuing through around the tub there. And if you weren't on in the beginning, I did mention that there's low condo fees on this unit. And here is the huge closet space. So it goes around. It's a walk-in closet on this one. And now I'm going to show you the other room, which is across. So nice separation between the bedrooms. So, I mean, you could choose to use whichever one you wanted really, because they're both master bedrooms. And this one has a bigger bed, looks so cozy for a nap on this rainy day. And here we have another full bathroom, again, with quartz counter, really nice backsplash, and the same tub shower combo with the tile surround. And again, really nice windows, custom blinds, nice draperies, and then another walk-in closet as well. And you can say, hello, kitty. So look how far back this one goes. This one is definitely a different shape, but probably more space. And there's even a window in there. I love that now I find a lot of closets, they've started including windows in them, which to me makes sense. That nice natural light when you're getting ready. So we were upstairs, we saw the dual masters and the laundry and the storage closet. Then I'm taking you back downstairs to the main living area, which had a really nice little desk spot here. We've got a sitting area, dining area, and kitchen. Got the deck off the back and nobody behind you. And we're gonna head on down to the entry level. So the stairs are carpeted here, which is nice. Don't need to worry about slipping. Really good entrance size here. You get a little driveway space at the front. I'll just open the door here. This is the exterior. So you get a little driveway space, which I'm actually parked in right now. And nice and wide roadway as well. Sometimes it feels so narrow that you can't get in and out, you know, with your vehicle, but really wide. So I'm gonna take you around so you can look back up the stairs again here. And then I'm gonna take you into the garage, which is a tandem garage. So there's a single door, but it's really deep. So you can see how long it is and how there's room on the sides for the, you know, garbage and recycling, They even have a motorcycle here. I know sometimes people get concerned with condo living because of lack of storage. This would not be in here. Look at this storage room off the garage. It's massive. And you have your utilities in here as well. Water softener included. And I mentioned at the beginning, air conditioning. I'll come back around here because there's even more to this storage space. So really great use of space. This unit was built in 2016. Okay, so I'm coming back to myself. So thank you so much for joining us on the tour today. You can contact us at any time for more information. Just drop a comment and we'll be sure to contact you about it or set up a private tour for you. This was unit 403-24